Pretend to sneeze on your sassy brother.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Are you fucking with me?
What?
You are a fucking dirty dog.
Did that go on you?
And you didn't go on me, I'm soaking wet.
I didn't know when
This is why we're in a pandemic, because of pigs like you.
It didn't even
That's
go on
disgusting.
you. It did not go on you.
This is why COVID's spreading like a bushfire. Take yourself up and get out of here.